Every skyscraper begins with steel. Heat rises. The machines do not stop. Everything is moving. The journey from raw stone to the massive beams that hold our cities starts in the heart of the earth. Iron ore is extracted from mines, massive trucks hauling jagged stones. Dust floats. Sunlight glints off rough surfaces. Each fragment holds potential. Coal is brought alongside, dark and dense, essential to the steel-making chemistry. Limestone follows. The raw ingredients converge. This changes everything. At the mill, crushers grind the ore into fine fragments. Magnets remove impurities. The machines hum with mechanical authority. Sparks flare. Conveyors carry the materials to the intake zone. Loaders shift enormous piles of ore and coal. Cranes glide, lifting and distributing with precision. Steam rises from vents. The blast furnace looms. Flames roar. Molten metal glows bright orange. Heat waves ripple through the air. Sparks erupt from molten surfaces. The transformation begins. Molten steel is poured into ladles. Cranes maneuver deliberately, guiding every drop. The flow is mesmerizing. Steam hisses, sparks flicker. The steel moves to rolling mills. Massive rollers press the metal, stretching and aligning internal grains. Hydraulic presses hammer with force. Sparks fly. Robotic arms weld and refine each beam. Lasers trace precise edges. Every movement is synchronized. Sparks dance across polished floors. Cooling jets hiss, steam rising in clouds. The temperature gradient stabilizes the steel's internal structure. Beams shimmer under industrial lighting. Precision matters. Cutting and trimming machines polish edges and confirm exact lengths. Robotic arms move in fluid rhythm. Sparks reflect in metallic surfaces. Each beam becomes perfect. Steel passes through multiple presses. Presses hammer in rhythmic cadence. Heat rises. Machinery vibrates. Every deformation controlled. Every second counted. Robots guide beams through welding arcs. Lasers etch fine lines. Polishing brushes glide across surfaces. Industrial lights shimmer across molten and cooled metal alike. Cooling continues. Conveyor stretches allow beams to settle into shape. Steam distorts the air. Shimmering surfaces tell the story of transformation. Structural integrity locks in. Inspections intensify. Engineers use lasers to measure every millimeter. Bends or warps are corrected. Defective beams are recycled back into the furnace. Quality is non-negotiable.
Alignment is set. Confirmed. Reading is stable.
Beams are coated and polished. Robotic systems place them on conveyors. Cranes lift and position trucks and trains are loaded with precision. Every shipment is choreographed. The factory moves continuously. Conveyors hum. Cranes glide overhead. Sparks leap. Steam bursts. The roar of presses fills the space. Notice the molten metal glowing under the furnace lights. Watch how it flows, smooth and orange, through the channels. Sparks leap at every corner. Heat rises. The machines do not stop. This is where the beam's strength begins. Follow the rollers as they compress the steel. Each movement is deliberate. Every press defines the structure. See the molten metal shimmer under the overhead lights. This changes everything. The robotic arms descend now. Sparks fly as welding begins. Polished floors reflect the motion, creating a choreography of machines. Precision is everything. Watch closely. One tiny misalignment could affect the entire skyscraper. The beams glide along the assembly line. Cranes lift and rotate them with perfect synchronization. Polished edges catch industrial lighting, creating patterns of shadow and glow. Notice the scale. These machines move tons with perfect rhythm. This is industrial mastery in motion. Steam rises from the cooling tanks. Heat waves ripple through the air above. The metal slowly stabilizes. Every grain, every contour, Every beam is being set. Feel the scale. These beams will hold entire city skylines.
Ready to lift! On the mark! Strap secure! All clear on right! Lift now!
These beams will hold entire city skylines. Inspection lasers sweep across the surfaces. Gauges measure tolerances. Every beam is scanned, measured, verified. Nothing is left to chance. The factory hums with precision. The workers, machines, and robots move as one entity. Now the final packaging begins. Beams are secured on trucks. Hooks lower them carefully. Engines roar, straps tighten. The journey continues from factory to construction site. Everything is prepared to become part of the skyline. Finally, see the hero beam against cinematic lighting. Strong, solid, ready. This is not just metal. This is the backbone of modern architecture. This is Industrial Atlas. Subscribe to witness the unseen power of modern industry.